Thought I'd make a video about the lawnmower repair and maintenance. So this is my lawnmower, old Husqvarna, and 46 Spirit. I'll show you what it does, and then we fix it and do the maintenance to it. That's what this does, so we try to repair that. I think there's just some dirt in it, but let's see. When you have done your grass cutting, be careful with these older models, because the spark plug might ignite the machine when you start to clean it, like this. If you turn it like this, it might rotate these blades and you will lose your fingers. So always take this off and let it cool for a bit. Now we start to, let's take the spark plug off and the air filter, then we check the oils and we sharpen the blade and so on. Let's see if we can get this running smoothly. Let's see the air filter. This is soaked with oil. So there might be one problem. Oh, this is so full of oil. Some brake cleaner. Wire. That works. Need to take the carburetor off. There we go. I don't think this has ever been off. This is intact. I don't know if it should be that loose, but I don't have a new one, so we just use this one. Try not to break it. There's a spring over there. I'm using the brake cleaner like that and I'm not even working. There's some dirt here. Let's clean that up. Now we clean the tank. there seems to be a bit of two-stroke engine oil in it. Okay, there's some dirt in there. That's gone. And some dirt in this tank, so we'll need to flush it out somehow. That two-stroke oil in it, in this gasoline, it just makes the engine smoke a lot. Now I know why people were hoarding this toilet paper. They were making a maintenance to their lawnmowers. I think the two-stroke oil just make this so oily. Let's take out the spark plug. We'll clean this up too. Should I take the valve cover off? There's the valve. That's pretty burned. So here's the aluminium gasket. Let's hope I don't break this. Let's clean those valves. So now I've cleaned these up a bit. If you think this valve cover is warped or something, you can straighten it with some glass and then some fine sanding paper with water, and then just rub this in. Rub this there and it will get smoothened and not warped anymore. So let's hope that this old seal will hold. There's no oil, a little bit at the top. Let's take the plate off and test the oils, if there is any. So I don't have right size socket for this bolt gun, so let's do it old way. Make sure that it can't run. Cut loose. So this is pretty dull. Let's sharpen this up. Then we can take the oils off. From there, I think it's just a normal, yes, socket. I think that most of the oils just came out from other side because I rotate that blade. Now the oil. This goes straight here. Now we sharpen this. Very dull. I don't have my compressor. I would blow some air from the oil cap here. The old oil is off now. cap in like that, and then the blade. So if you know any tricks with grass not to stick here, so leave a comment below. Okay, now we can add the oil here. Let's take this off, and then I'll just use this. We'll pour this 4-stroke engine oil. Let's put this there. About half a liter. Just don't use synthetic oil because the gaskets probably won't last long. But mineral oil is good. And then just check from this oil stick when it's full. Then it's good. Okay, let's see if I can get this back together. I have some exhaust repair for that cheap bed out tube. So I'll put some of that there and hope for the best. What in the butt? What in the butt? New gasoline, 98 octane. Okay, now we can test it. So the throttle just was in full the whole time, so this copper wire will do now the adjustment from here. Try again. Be good. Didn't hit it. have these springs. Can't remember how they were. I don't know if this is right, but these are at this right thing. Attached to this white thing.
Then some pure acid, 98 octane. Holy fuck. How the fuck? That was full.